Aloha, fourth graders. I miss you guys. This is my first of many weeks of Monday morning messages. So I hope you are all doing fantastic. And I know it's hard to stay home, but it's making a difference. So let's keep doing it. And just because we're not at school doesn't mean that there's no work to do. This week, we're starting a new way of learning, and your parents are going to be getting a link about what is the weekly learning plan. And so we're going to be sending those home every week with new things for you to do for the week. If your parents and family can't print those out, we have the packets available at the lunch facilities, the places where you can go pick up your sack lunches and breakfasts on Mondays from 11 to 12:30. Our closest one is Kingston Middle School. So anyway, this week you're kind of doing a little bit of review in math on comparing fractions. Remember the butterfly method where you circle them this way and circle them this way, and whatever number, when you multiply the numbers, is biggest on top, that side has the largest fraction. There's also other ways that it describes in the worksheets on comparing those fractions, like comparing to a benchmark fraction or drawing a picture. You also have some ELA worksheets in the packet. There's a story to read about Crater Lake and some questions to answer. There's also some suffixes to make new words by adding parts to the end, as well as some multiple meaning words. There's a math game if your family has the materials. It's just a couple cards and a die. If your family would like to get together and try out the math game and get some practice, that would be great too. On the weekly learning plan, there's some extra stuff that is, there's an article. I've got one at several different reading levels, and so whichever one has been assigned to you on ReadWorks, please log into the ReadWorks and read that article and answer the questions. There's also some Pioneer short videos to watch, and we would love it if you could write a diary entry of what it would be like on a day of a pioneer traveling across the Oregon Trail. What are some things that you would see, or family, what would be happening to your family members? What do you need to help with as a child? What sorts of chores were there to do? And then in science, I can't remember if we watched this one at school, but Miss Manning and Miss McIsaac's class hadn't. So if it's the same one that we've watched before, just watch it and learn something new. Because the fact that I can't remember if we watched it means that maybe there's things in there that you don't remember either. So, but it's what is the most dangerous animal in the world, and it's a Mystery Dug. So there's all those other websites if you want extra time, but just, have some fun outside. You're only supposed to do work for 90 minutes a day. If you want to do more, there's more websites and links at the bottom that you've been working on. More MobyMax, more Khan Academy, more ReadWorks articles, more Epic Books. Check out Epic Books if you're looking for stuff to read. And don't forget to read for 20 minutes every day. My kids are reading. I'm going to be starting a book with you, a read aloud. If you are interested in listening to me read aloud, I'm going to be putting links to my YouTube channel. Yes, I have a YouTube channel now, of me reading aloud a chapter from a book called Gregor the Overlander. I'll tell you more about that in another video, so that you can listen to me read if you want to. You can put me on at nighttime and go to sleep. Anyway, that part's optional. So your parents have a link to a Seesaw account where you can, once you finish your assignments, you can post them up to me, and I can see them. You post them into a journal and I can see all your work and reply back to you. And I really appreciate you guys keeping this work done. You want to be ready for 5th grade. So this is going to have all the stuff that we would have done for the rest of the year in these packets from now until June 19th. And if you get all that stuff done, you're going to be ready for 5th grade. I really miss you guys. It's way more fun to teach in class than to be looking at all these computer screens all day and figuring out all these programs, figuring out how to make a YouTube channel. So I just hope you are enjoying time with your family, and I will see you on Thursdays at 10:30 for our Zoom class meetings. And then I have office hours from 1 to 3 every weekday. If you want to Zoom in and ask me any learning questions, I'm available that way. If the code for the Zoom meetings is going to be on that weekly learning plan that I will be emailing out to your families, or that came with this email that has this video of me on it. All right, I love you guys. I miss you, and I will see you on Zoom. All right, bye.